What's up guys, this is Retro Collector 101 back here with another video, and in this video I'll be reviewing the iPod Nano 1st Gen. So throughout this video I'll be reviewing this and unboxing it at the same time. So without further ado, why don't we jump straight into the video. So here's the package, and before we unbox it, let me just tell you one thing. I'm actually no stranger to iPods. I've already got an iPod Nano 1st Gen, an iPod Nano 5th Gen, an iPod 5th Gen Classic, an iPod Classic 4th Gen, and an iPod Nano 6th Gen, and I think I have two more. I think I have a Shuffle and another 5th Gen Classic, but the Classic is broken, and the Shuffle is, I don't know where it is, that's why it's not in the video. So yeah, what I'm about to unbox here is the iPod Nano 1st Gen. So here is my white one. The reason why I decided to buy a new one was because my current white one has a bad battery. So our weapon of choice is this screwdriver here, if it can focus. Ah, my gosh, sorry about that, guys. Let's just open it. Here it is. Here are my items. So, what do I get? Well, I get this iPod charger, and then here is the iPod Nano. So, sadly, it is currently dead. I gotta admit, though, it is in great condition, so why don't I quickly give it a charge along with my current iPod 1st Gen, iPod Nano 1st Gen, and I'll be back to show you what is currently on this iPod. So immediately this 50th birthday Jeff Mulkin iPod actually turns on. As you can see here, the screen is very bright considering its release date. I think it was factory reset. Oh, that's so sad. Dang it, I was really hoping. Oh, never mind. Okay, it does have songs. And it's in pretty good condition, so I'm kind of surprised that my boy Jeff Mulkin didn't really use this iPod. Like, I'm really surprised. Like, the back is not great, but that makes sense. Do you want to see this one? It's like terrible. It doesn't look that bad on camera, but it has tons of scratches. This one, on the other hand, is pretty nice, especially on the front, like how glossy it is. Like, look at this one. Can you pick up on this detail right here? Like, yeah, it's like cracked. Why don't we just analyze these songs then? Anything we know. ABC, is this by Michael Jackson? Yeah, the Jackson 5, okay, good. This actually has some good looks. That's pretty much it. After going through all of the nitty-gritties with the iPod Nano 1st Gen and all the unboxing process out of the way, why the iPod Nano 1st Gen and not the iPod Nano 6th Gen or iPod Classic 5th Gen? Like, why this 1st Gen right here, or not even the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th gens of the iPod Nanos? Well, that's actually a pretty simple question to answer. So the reason why I didn't pick another one of these is because, number one, I already have one, and number two, while this is great and all with the touchscreen and makes me feel at home with this new tech, what I am missing is the click wheel. And you know, the iPod 5th Gen does have it. What lags it behind is the fact that this thing weighs a lot more than this iPod Nano. Like, honestly, the two of these iPod Nano 1st Gens combined Plus the 6th gen still is lighter than like the 5th gen, at least to me. And even when it comes to width and thickness, let's just compare it right here for you guys. Like, look at the thickness difference between these two. Like, it's off the charts. Now, when it comes to music quality, the iPod Nano 1st gens do sound pretty good. With it being 4 gigabytes of storage, it really isn't that much, but when it is this small, you can really bring 2 of them if you really want and put them in your pocket. It fits just fine and you really don't notice it. It's honestly easier bringing 2 of these than 1 of these. And while this is 30 gigabytes, also consider how clunky, how big it is compared to the iPod Nano 1st gen. When you go running, for instance, you really don't need that many songs, so bringing an iPod Nano 1st gen is much more practical than bringing the iPod 5th gen on that run. So all in all, this is pretty much why I want to recommend the iPod Nano 1st gen to you guys and why you should buy it in 2022. So hopefully you guys like this video. I know it wasn't super in-depth, so in the future I may make a more in-depth video or buying guide on this iPod Nano 1st gen, but I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope I see you guys in the next one. If you like this video, please hit the like button. You don't understand how hard it is making this content for you guys, and I just really appreciate it if I get a like, as it helps promote my videos in the future. If you want to see more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button. It really does help out my channel. Literally having 600 subscribers compared to 601 really does make that extra difference. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I plan on making money through making these videos, and I'll invest that money to help make better quality videos for you guys. So you tell me, is that extra investment of that 1 subscription worth it? I think it is. So anyways guys, see you in the next one. Bye.